do some gorilla tag, but in swamp.
No, we're doing it in stump.
Oh, stump.
Yeah, go to stump.
Yeah, sorry guys. Look, come down here. You've never been in this map, have you? I'll teach you how to get out.
OTK.
You see this way? You see this way? Go up here.
This one. Oh yeah, look.
Go to the tree. What tree do you mean?
I'm sorry.
This
OTK.
Yo, dude, Red.
On your back.
Red. Guys, me and you and some of him are YouTubers. There's 3 YouTubers.
I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah. There's 3 YouTubers in this lobby.
Yeah, what the hell was that burp?
I burped too.
Let me change cosmetic.
Why the hell? We all burping.
Look, I'm a little cat here. I'm a little cat. Meow.
Guys,
I'm not even a boy.
Yo, does anyone know what this is? Anyone know what this is? You know what this is?
Party hat.
No. Does anyone want to play my game?
I have a better one. Guys, Red, you wanna play mini Red.
No, I have a better one than you. Does anyone want to play mini games? Does anyone want to play mini games? Mini games. Yo, has anyone seen that? Yo, has anyone seen that TikTok? Yo, has anyone seen that TikTok where there's like a guy with a mini games when he gets the competitive? He's like, does anyone want to play mini games?
No, I don't see TikTok.
I'm watching. I'm gonna. Doug. Guys, did you know Doug is gonna? Guys, did you know?
We're gonna make a. Wait, I want to show you something with both of them. I'll give it to
Yo,
you,
guys, do you know Doug the Bug soon will leave the game? Soon he will die. I'm spawning the volcano.
Green, I want to show you something. Wait, can you give me that? I swear to God, I'll give you it.
I threw him down there. I threw him out of the world. He's with Jesus now.
Make two, everyone, make two. Grab someone and make them be on your team.
Guys, everyone get on top of. Guys, everyone get on top of treehouse.
It's on top, okay.
The last person standing. If you fall in the lava, you lose the challenge.
Oh, I was the one who was making the video.
Guys, if you die, if you get touched by the lava, you die. The last person standing wins.
Wins what? So okay.
Wins a billion shiny rocks.
God, okay, everyone, let's go.
No!
Start the video. Guys. Okay. So is that for the video idea? Am I doing the video? Okay.
I started a video like 10 minutes ago.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna start the other video I was gonna make. Okay. We're going into treehouse. Wait, what video are we doing? Mr. Beast be like. The other guys are just gonna be competitors. I'm gonna be the Mr. Beast.
I'm gonna be the guy which is trying to kill you. Guys, this is guys. When you realize Mr. Beast is gonna destroy the world.
Bro, give me that the butt.
Okay, everyone is inside tree.
I got an idea.
No,
You
we
say.
already have an idea.
Oh.
Okay, we can make your video idea next. Don't worry. Okay, I'm starting.
Does someone have a bad
In this video,
Don't move.
I like your hat.
Golden monkey, don't move. Go down a bit. Go down.
and Bailey and the last one standing will win 1 billion shiny rock.
Just like your mum.
Oh wait, there's lava.
Guys. If the lava goes down, we have to all make it erupt again. Guys, does everyone see this dog real quick? Does everyone see this dog real quick?
It's someone's sound. Oh.
Already, watch this. I'm gonna get to there without touching them.
No!
Remember, if you fall in the lava, you're gonna go.
I'm not out!
We're gonna be. Someone haven't touched the lava yet. Mr. Beast. I haven't touched the lava yet.
I didn't touch the lava, Mr. Beast.
Okay, everyone, we're gonna vote someone out. Okay, blind. It out. Who? Who am I gonna vote? Yeah. Well, when I was over there on the slide, I did see green fall into the lava. Okay. Green. I give you that green. He's in the lava. I give her that green. Yeah, but you're still touching the little. See, look, you're touching the lava. Okay. This green. Green. Who do you vote? Who do you vote?
I'm gonna be kind and vote myself. There's no point.
Okay, so who are you voting? Who will you vote? Green to be out. Which green? Yeah. That green.
You said him.
He said himself. Green. That's three green. What green? The green party hat.
Below you, mate.
Right, guys, make the lava appear again. You can't touch it though. You can't touch it, guys. You can't touch it.
The lava's coming down. Mr. Beast, you have to do it again, okay? Because y'all weren't listening, okay? I was gonna. Can we do a different idea? Yeah. Okay, let's do a different idea. Oh,
Get a tree house.
okay, if you say so. So what's your idea? Lime, what's your idea, huh?
I don't have an idea. Well, I just like jumping in the lava. I just like jumping in the lava.
Jump in the lava. Okay, everyone.
Yeah, guys. Bye. See you later. Help me, please.
Wait, I got a good video we can do. Go to mountains. Go to mountains. I got a good video. Don't touch the lava, okay? Don't worry. We won't listen.
No.
If you've been touched by lava. Guys, this is what I did. I picked your man up this. And then jump. You don't care, the scum.
Yo, Golden Hat touched the lava. He was literally swimming in.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to mountains, everyone.
Yo, please stop burping.
Mountains, everyone. So, the video's idea. So, yeah, what's your idea? So, you see that target over there?
Yeah.
What target?
The first one to get onto that target wins.
What target?
Wins bananas. Don't do it now.
How is it possible? I suck at it. I can't even wall surf.
Get to the ice thingy, go on the slide.
What target? That? Wait, what target?
That target up there. That one up there.
Oh, okay.
No, I can't get up there. I can't wall surf.
Wait, everybody restart. I need to start the video.
Wait.
Okay. Guys, go to igloo. Everyone. Silent igloo, as I see.
Hey, your new wedding.
Can someone teach me how to wall surf? I know I sound stupid.